What is this cup doing? Strutting his stuff like you just don't care.
Sorry, Jen, I don't.
Look, man, I'm gonna have to video you now because look, I can't be dealing with this, right?
By the gods, there is a psychopath on the loose.
Because we having a job to do.
Yeah, it's 10 p.m. It's 10 p.m. on a Thursday. You're right next to a residential area.
Pretty fieldy, isn't it, really?
Yeah, residential area right there. You're driving past.
One house.
It's one house with people living in it.
Look, I'm not going to stop. You're just longing the night out.
Back off! I'm warning you. You're outmatched, Elf.
To be honest with you.
If you could just give me your boss's phone number and I'll get
Okay.
Oh.
07802.
Okay, here we go. Thank you. 07802
432
432
689.
689.
If he doesn't answer the first time,
What's his name?
Neil.
Neil.
Yeah.
If he doesn't answer the first time,
Call again. So he'll still be on the line.
Alright, cool, brilliant. Nice.
Alright, no worries. Alright,
Yeah.
well, tell me what he says. Got two of the c***s now coming towards me. How are ya?
There might only be one house, but there's like 15 people living there.
Look, I'm finishing this field. It'll take me 25 minutes to do.
Yeah, it's like 10 o'clock at night now.
Do you know how far away we come from?
Well, mate, let's
Look,
started it earlier.
look, it don't work like that in agriculture. Our windows are so tight.
It's gone 10 o'clock
Call
at
the
night.
police.
People are trying to fucking sleep.
Call, I will be gone in 20...
people living in this house.
I'll be
right?
gone in 20 minutes.
People.
I'll
It's
be-
gone 10 o'clock at night.
look.
Everyone's got to get up in the morning.
Yeah, I've got to get up in the morning as well.
Is that what? Why just like earlier?
It don't work like that.
It does work like that.
Well, I'm finishing this
It's gone
field.
10 o'clock at night.
Look, you're trespassing now, right?
What?
You're trespassing on this field now, right?
Yeah.
So I'm asking you to leave.
I'll tell you what, I know
What is this doing now? What is he doing?
Hey! What did you do that for? Are you some kind of maniac?
His mate in the red who wants to fight.